Fine. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Anitha. This is Aruna from Quality Department, Anitha. It's just a feedback interview from your side. Before starting that, congrats for your placements, Anitha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all about your introduction, Anitha.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. My name is Anitha. I'm basically from Kalburgi, and I pursued my Bachelor's of Engineering from Raichur district. And after that, I pursued my CACM Advanced Construction Management course in Bangalore, which is located in Jayanagar. And I also got placed in Interiors in Bangalore, ma'am.
Okay, fine. How did you get to know CMTI, Anitha?
Through my friend, ma'am, which is also came last 1 month back. She also placed it in Design Cafe. She referred me to join the CACM course. Yeah.
Okay. So, what and all you learned in CMTI? So, apart from your syllabus.
Yeah, like in college days, we are learning like in bookish, like from only book. After coming here, I learned like so many. I went to site visits. I learned how to reading of drawings, up to like reading of drawings to how construction work finishes. I get like we visited so many sites. And we got the knowledge of a practical knowledge. Also, we learned SketchUp, how to some softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, and BOQ, how to calculate the bar bending schedules, material calculation, QS, QC, so many things, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So, how was your site visits and all, Anitha?
Actually, that was good, ma'am, because I didn't went in my past 4 years, which I was learned in engineering. I didn't went even one site also. I don't know about a site I didn't. So after coming here, I got to know how the work is going on, like everything. I understand from here itself, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So how was our trainers approach to you during the courses and all? So whether they were clearing your doubts?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Whenever we have the doubt, they were ready to clear, ma'am. They just want our our interest. That's it. They are very supportive, and everything they solve itself in classroom or else after the class they are ready to solve, ma'am. The overall the all the staff even and staff and teachers, everyone are good, ma'am. Very good.
Okay. So what about CMTI app, Anita? How did that help you?
App is very good, ma'am, because we get how to crack the interviews. So many like interview videos are there, uh, and so many recorded videos also there, ma'am. In this recorded videos and classes and how
And
to
you
crack
can
the
see
interviews. So many.
so you can see the missed session also.
What, ma'am?
You can see the missed session also in the CMTI app.
Yeah, ma'am. That's you can see all the missed sessions also, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine, Anita. Then coming to your interview, like how did you crack the interview, Anita?
Mm, by seeing the so many YouTube videos and past our seniors, they how they did perform. I asked them to how they cracked like that, ma'am. Yeah. Also, I saw the CMTI cracking videos, interview cracking videos, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what about CMTI staffs? How was their approach? Like how was their coordination during the courses and what?
They are nice, ma'am, and they are comfortable with very languages. They no need of talking in English itself. They are like comfortable with Kannada also. So many languages we can understand for their student, how they are in which language they are going to understand. They are going to explain in that language, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Anita?
I would like to say to my friends and juniors, um, all the best and do well. And it's a best platform to start your career, like CMTI, because we can achieve our dreamed company, like because in this what Corona, since I didn't got, I was passed out 2020, but I didn't get even one. I didn't crack even one interview also, ma'am. But they are not supportive. Like they are not that much of here. After coming here, I like this is a good platform to start your whatever the dream is there. I will say to my juniors, and you can join here and you can start and you can take your dream company like.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anitha. Thanks for your feedback. And I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congrats for your placements, Anitha.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.